In the last video, we have seen that the drainage system in India is divided into two groups, the Himalayan Rivers and the Peninsula Rivers. Now we will be seeing in this video the details about the Himalayan Rivers first, and then we will continue. The Himalayan Rivers, most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. Now what does perennial means here? Perennial means those rivers which have water throughout the year. That means it don't have to depend on the monsoon for the rain or for the water, but this river is full of water throughout the year. Then this Himalayan rivers, another characteristics of the Himalayan rivers is these rivers have large basins. Then these rivers are perennial because they receive water from rainfall and melting ice all the time. In the plain areas, this Himalayan rivers, they form large meanders. Meanders means the large curves and all because of the flowing of the rivers. Because of the flowing of the rivers, they have plenty of curves present in the plains. Next is the Peninsula Rivers. Most of these rivers are seasonal. It is exactly the opposite of the Himalayan rivers, that these rivers, they are seasonal. They depend on the rainfall for water. Whenever rain comes, that means this particular rivers are full of water. Otherwise, it becomes dry. Most of the major rivers of the peninsula flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. Then another characteristics of this peninsular rivers are that these rivers make deltas at their mouths. I showed in the previous video also where is the delta, where is the mouth. So it is these peninsular rivers, they make the deltas. Then also these rivers flow through shallow valleys, small valleys they form, and then they start flowing as they get the water slopes. Then we'll be seeing this rivers originate in the Himalayas, consist of three river systems. Now under this Himalayas, as we have seen, the Himalayan river system and the Peninsula river system. Now first we'll be dealing with the Himalayan river system, the Indus river system, we have the Ganga river system we have, and the Brahmaputra river system. Now first we'll be seeing the Indus river system. Now the Indus river system, we'll just have a look of it. The Indus river system. This river, the river Indus, originates in Tibet. We can also have a look of the map present in the lesson. The Indus river system, which originates in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Then it enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. This is the first characteristics of Indus system. Then we have the main tributaries of this Indus systems are Jaskar, Nubra, Shyok and Hunza. When you will be going through the lesson, you will be having a look of all these points which are there. I have just shortened it up and give you the conclusion of it. Next we have the Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum, which join together and enter Indus near Mithankot, which is in Pakistan. And the last is Indus is 2,900 kilometers long. It has a very gentle slope. That was the first Indus river system. Next we have the Ganga river system. The Ganga river system again, the headwaters, that means from where it originates, it is called as Bhagirathi. It is fed by the Gangotri Glacier, because Himalayan region we have on the top, that is in the north of India. So from there, when it starts flowing or originate, that part is known as the Gangotri Glacier. It is joined by Alaknanda at Devprayag in Uttarakhand. Then it also emerges from the mountains onto the plains at Haridwar. We have again some of the tributaries which are present there, that is Yamuna, Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi. These are some of the tributaries of Ganga. Then Yamuna meets Ganga at Allahabad, the meeting point of Ganga and Yamuna. It is in the city of Allahabad. Next again some more tributaries are Chambal, Betwa and Sun are the major tributaries which come from peninsular uplands. That means from the peninsula is the down part of the, that means we can say the northern part. Peninsula means what? The three sides we have water. So where is water present? The three sides, that is the down portion, the south portion, from the middle till the south, the down portion is known as the peninsula part. So from there we get the Chambal, Betwa and Sun, which are again the tributaries of Ganga and joins this Ganga river. After taking water from various tributaries, Ganga flows towards east till Farakka. Farakka is in West Bengal. The Bhagirathi Hooghly, that is a distributary. Distributary, I told you that when it is flowing out from Ganga river. So Bhagirathi and Hooghly are the two distributaries which flows towards the south to the Bay of Bengal. Next one is the mainstream flows southwards into Bangladesh, where it joined by Brahmaputra. Finally, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal, forming the Sundarban Delta. Again, another delta which is there in Bay of Bengal, known as Sundarban Delta. And the total length of Ganga river is around 2,500 kilometers. Then comes the last one, is the Brahmaputra river system. Again, the Brahmaputra also, it rises in Tibet, east of Mansarovar lake. Here they have said the Brahmaputra, Sanskrit son of Brahma, is a part of Yarlung Jangbo, one of the great river of Southern Asia. Then it is a little longer than the Indus. Most of the course of the Brahmaputra lies outside India. It flows eastward parallel to the Himalayas. After reaching Namcha Barwa, it enters India in Arunachal Pradesh through a gorge. It is known as Dihang in this region. When it enters through Arunachal Pradesh, this Brahmaputra river, there it is having another name known as Namcha Barwa. Through that part it enters and it is known as Dihang there. Then some of the tributaries are there. Lohit, Kenula are some of the tributaries of Brahmaputra. And then finally it reaches to Assam. There, unlike other North Indian rivers, the Brahmaputra gets huge deposits of silt on its bed. This results in rising of the riverbed, and then it also shifts its channel frequently. So it continues like that, the Brahmaputra river system also. So I'll stop in this video till here. Next we will be continuing in the other video.